Hi friends, welcome to Unscripted Programming, and in this video we'll learn how to find LCM of two numbers in C++ using GCD method. Okay, we know that LCM into HCF equal to product of two number. So LCM equal to product of two number divided by HCF. So we also apply the same rule in this code. So without wasting time, let's start. So we will add our two header files, which are iostream and math.h. And other one is math.h. You can also use your code block also. I am using my Dev C++. So we will make a class, and suppose name of this class is GFG, and we will make this class or the members of the class public, and make a function name as GCD. Here we are calculating greatest common denominator. So see carefully and understand the concept. If you have any doubt, you can post in comment section. So we will make a if loop here. If a equal to 0, so return, and otherwise return GCD B mod A comma A. Okay, so up to here our code is for to find HCF or GCD of a two number. Now we will make a new function, let's suppose LCM, and two variables also here, int A comma int B, and in this function we will write return and apply the rule to find the LCM. A into B divided by GCD of two number A comma B. So we also applied the formula also, and close the class or by put the semicolon. Now we will make our main function int main. In this function we declare our variables A comma B, and cout for taking the two number from keyboard. So enter two numbers. And now see in A and B. Now we call our class GFG with a object, suppose G, and cout LCM of LCM of A and B is, and our G dot means object, G dot LCM into A comma B. So we have write our complete code. So save this code, LCM of two numbers. Okay, let's execute. Oh, we have done some mistake here, or semicolon I have forgotten. So let's execute it. So we have to enter two number. Let's suppose 67 and 98. So LCM of two number is 6566. Okay, you can also by taking simple number. Let's suppose 6 and 5. LCM is 30. So I hope you understand the code, and hopefully you will like the video. And if you are new on this video or channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notification. So bye bye, and stay safe at home.